Yo, boys, what is good, bro? We back at it with another trade recap. This is how we made about $620 in 1.5 minutes. Day trading on NQ, and yeah, bro. Let's get started with the trade recap, and let's go. Let's go to the trade. All right. So coming into the day, obviously, I have all my draws marked out, right? Oh, hold on, let me just put my mic in real quick. All right, anyways, coming to the day, right? Simple as that. I don't have any bias coming to the day because obviously, if you have a bias coming to the day, like what you expect price to do, yeah, that's good. But at the end of the day, price is going to do what it wants. So it's better to react to price rather than, wishing or hoping and marrying a bias on what to do. So yeah, you want to see what price is doing. All right, we've been trending down for the whole day. All right, what I want to see, what I think I want to see, right? Again, it's what I think I want to see. It's not what I want to see because market's going to do what it wants. So we've got these prominent lows down here, right? We've already rebalanced this range, right? Down, like, say OTE of this range is 0.786 has been tapped, and we also have this bigger range down here, which we have 0.786 and we've tapped it. So I would want to see us take down these lows, right? I'm wanting to see bearish order flow continue throughout this New York AM session, right? Maybe manipulate up to do that. And yeah, bro, these lows down here as well, resweep these soup sequence, right? What we want to do is we invite sellers, invite buyers, right? Manipulate down, resweep them on the higher time frame, continue up from there. All right, let's get started. So market open again, as usual, we create an SMT of some sort and we manipulate after we create the SMT, right? But we didn't take this draw. We're at 0.786 of the range. We're at OTE, as you can see right here. All right, we've manipulated up, right? Created SMT. All right, what am I looking to see? Some sort of reversal sequence where if we want to reverse, we go up, manipulate, right? Take out this draw and then go down, something like that. But again, right, we don't do that. We come down, and I'm considering this as a reversal failed. So price is really wanting to go to the downside. It's very efficient, right? It wants to go to the downside, right? So that's why it's not coming up and resweeping the buyers. Resweeping the sellers and then continuing the real move. So this was a alright trade to take, right? We've got reversal sequence fail, good displacement, right? But again, like it's not a highly probable, like it's a high probable setup, but again, like it's not a good setup. Like over here, right? You see this, and then from here, this is the setup that I was talking about, which is not high probable, right? Short over here, we've got fairly a push to go up, right? Engulf that candle right here. So these lows are LR down here. But again, it's 35, it's too early, so I fade that setup. I don't like to take these type of setups. So off the rip, right, we create an SMT right here on this candle, right? We displace up, but we shut that shit down straight away, right? We failed that, and we are failing to push up, right, engulf it, and we deliver down lower. From here, we actually do create an SMT with this low, I think. Not yet, but we create an SMT with this low, with ES. Again, let's see if we're going to displace up off that or not. We should just go down. All right, boom. We take that draw. SMT is no longer valid, right? Let's see what we're doing next. All right. That's fine, right? We should just take this draw now. All right, boom. Right here, we create an SMT with this low with ES right here, right? And again, we're seeing if the SMT fails or it plays out, because obviously you can't just say, oh, bullish SMT, that's long. You know what I'm trying to say? You got to see and react to what price is doing. Off the rip here, we displaced up massive 80-point candle here. I instantly knew that this candle was FOMO as it was forming, because this candle right here is meant to manipulate up, right? So all these, majority of these traders, all the retail traders, you know, they're based off their emotions. A lot of people are stuck taking these stupid ass IFVG setups, random ass IFVGs off, like, I don't even know, just off the fact that this is a big displacement candle, right? But again, I know that that's FOMO, so I don't enter in longs, right? I'm looking for shorts. So essentially, whether long or short, because I'm spotting manipulation and not getting manipulated. Off here, SMT at this high, right? Create SMT. All right, now I want to see, is this truly manipulation? If it's not, we should just theoretically continue pumping the fuck up and just taking all these draws. In that case, let's see what happens. All right, boom, rebalance, right? Again, you can have a rebalance of this candle. It's a really big candle, right? Obviously, we could have a rebalance in, 1 minute isn't a lot of time to rebalance it. So, that's why we close bearish here. But if we're truly bullish, let's see if we close up here, continue up. All right, off that, instantly, boom, right? We literally get this huge ass displacement candle down, confirming its manipulation, right? ES is near these draws, right? NQ is near these draws, right? In these internal draws right here, right? SMT's failed. We want to take that straight away. All right, let's see. I didn't enter here. I was waiting for a rebalance right here. So something like this where the candle comes down here, right? Rebalances this. And as it's going down, right? As it's like going here, down, then I enter the trade, right? Have stop loss above there. Then I know it's rebalanced. But again, we didn't rebalance. So I was like, all right, I'm going to wait one more candle, right? Because we closed bullish. Wait for the next candle. Boom. Instant displacing down. I enter here, right? As it rebalances the CE of this wick. CE is consequent encroachment, right? Rebalance that candle, right? We instantly start displacing down. I enter here as soon as we cross this, because I know that this is going to be an engulfing candle based off SMT, failure of bullish SMT, manipulation up, right? All of this shit, right? So off of that, what I do is I just take the trade here, enter in here, and take it to this internal, not internal, take it to this external, the prominent liquidity 15-minute low that we had. And after we take that, right, again, I'm looking for it to just displace down, and boom, straight away goes into TP, and we smash TP. And yeah, bro, like I could have held it to the draw like 35 points, maybe even 40. But again, consistency is what matters. You want to take consistent trades again and again, and to be able to, make your profits back, because 30 points is a very solid amount of, making the trades and everything. So yeah, bro, that's basically how we made $620 at 17 years old in 1.5 minutes. And yeah, bro, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow the Instagram. And yeah, bro, follow along for the journey. Peace out.